Come to party. Look.
You looking that shirt that we do? Yes. We're gonna go chill. We're gonna
birthday.
come around the house.
I like it like next time. Gangsta party.
Let me see your watch.
What did you guys drink?
That's my teeth. I need my teeth. Let's cut this.
We're supposed to get
And today he dressed nice and decent. And when he come by us with our formal wear, he got on all the sweat clothes. Oh, lamb.
I need a
There's little Bo Peep sheep.
Don't cut this lamb.
I think Shiv lost his marbles.
I need to say okay.
You want me
Okay.
He's trying to imitate.
Yeah, if you make a drink of that.
You got torn on the bottle, your back.
Sorry, we clock out. We're not working right now, okay? We're de-stressing.
That's evil.
Wait, thanks. Wait.
What drive?
Oh, shit.
Drink before, look.
Just your friend, Trini?
You pour drink like a rat. This is what for this?
You like the look.
What is this one? Hula hoop.
And match me daddy.
Happy birthday, man. Yes, man. Hold on. Happy 65. 65, 63.
Now we represent Daddy birthday. Come.
Yeah.
Another year.
Why we just like this?
Because we dress like we daddy.
Daddy birthday.
Make you feel good.
That's fun.
Yes, man. Happy birthday to us. Woo! Birthday celebration. What's
Just like it. Hold on. Just like your daddy.
You might go wipe your mouth.
Look, we match me daddy. When you can't afford gold, say like this rich man, see you, you gotta make your own
Let me see your
popcorn.
hand. Let me see your hand. Here we go.
I know it's precious. Let people go home.
Very nice. Over nice.
Family, man. Look, family.
What's your gold chain?
What
That's it on life?
What
She looked too decent. You gotta look like this, like gangster. Look.